This video is going to help you understand your finances better. As a business owner, whether you've been in business for many years or you have just started, you don't want to be completely dependent on your accountant. You don't want to lose credibility in front of your banker or any potential investor just because you failed or struggled to talk about your finances with confidence. You want to feel more in control of your finances, and what I'm going to tell you in this video will get you there. Understanding management accounts to optimize the sources of finance for small business. Often, whenever you want to grow your business and take it to the next level, or you have your business plan and you are ready to go and create your business, the first thing you need is funding. In other words, money, cash. And oftentimes, finding financing for a new business or simply any financing solution can be very challenging. There are really no business financing course which focuses on how to understand accounting when it comes to understanding management accounts. You can of course use academic books, but with the information you will get from them, the probability that you learn from these sources to match your needs as a manager or owner of a small or medium-sized business is very low. Would you agree? So, the question is, how do you know that a business is profitable? Meaning, how do business loans work? Well, here's a list of things to consider. First, develop a solid, ongoing understanding of both your financial accounts or how to understand accounting. Remember this, regardless of the business financing model, these elements are vital when it comes to your business financing. This is the reason why understanding management accounts are skills you need to have, or if you don't have them, you need to develop them quickly, as your financial statements tell the story of your business and, most importantly, your ability to manage your business. Second, ensure you have a sound personal and business credit. When you have tried to answer the question of how do business loans work, you will know that you need to have a strong credit file. However, beware that your profitability of success when applying for a business loan when you are a small and medium-sized business is highly correlated with both your personal and business credit history. Third, prepare your case. Build a strong file. As a business owner, I'm sure you are now aware that not only must you ensure your business runs smoothly, but also that you can handle discussions and meetings with your banker or accountant when it comes to your business financing. To do so skillfully and with confidence, first of all, you can answer if anyone asks you how do business loans work, as when you're applying for a business loan, you no longer feel paralyzed and hopeless. When your understanding of management accounts is under your belt, then you are ready to build a very strong and solid credit file. You now need to focus on assembling the important pieces to make you have everything you need to make it happen. Think of the lender as a customer to better understand what they're looking for. Then, develop a business proposal that addresses all their potential needs and concerns. Number 4, sources of finance for small business is something extremely important, so do your research. Beware when you are researching your sources of finance for small business. What lenders focus on is credit history and net worth. There are a wide variety of financing sources, and you might want to take into account different criteria such as, industry, sector, and geography when looking for business financing sources. Number 5, choose the right lender. The best formula to select the right lender for you when applying for a business loan before making any formal application is to ensure that it has the specific terms and conditions you're looking for in terms of length of the loan, fixed or flexible, and that this lender has a good lending track record. Number 6, do not rush into the loan application. Like for any important and big decision, applying for a business loan follows the same principle. Do not rush into it. In other words, do not jump on the first offer. I understand you might be under incredible time and money pressure, but do take your time before you commit yourself. The time you invest in comparing the different options you have will ultimately save you considerable time and money in the long term and also avoid many headaches. Number 7. Do not procrastinate. Well, it is true that I have said not to rush when it comes to choose the right sources of finance for your small business. However, that did not mean to do anything either. This is a huge difference to make. You want to get things done, and even if you have to go through a painful process, this is a must-do process to overcome so that you can get what you want, i.e., get finances for your business. And finally, go for it. No matter what your business financing needs are, do not wait. Start investing your time becoming a master at your business financials. Develop your skills and knowledge with how to understand accounting so that you will know how do business loans work. You will therefore have the right tools in order to get the financing you need with certainty and a high success. Think how exciting and what a relief it will be the day the money will be wired into your account and you can take your business to the next level.